So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in a Pocket, and as you can see I have opened up my Claude Code and I am attempting to generate a video. Yes, not editing a video, generating a video using Claude Code. Yes, you heard it right. For that I would be using hyperframe skills. What is that? I'll be showing you that too. But here's a quick look that I took about half an hour to generate a small video. Here you can see that this is the skill that I'm using, hyperframes, create video explaining LM versus AI agents. And my friends, the video that has been generated looks crazingly good. It doesn't have an audio right now, but that can be appended as well. Let me first of all show you the video that is generated and then we'll talk about the entire process. What is hyperframes and what was the entire process? How was the entire journey felt like? Let's get started. So here is the video, LLM versus agents. Let me click that. This is without audio for now. LM AI agent. What an LM does, the capital of France is Paris. Look at the UI element that has been added. It's quite good. It's quite sleek if you notice. What an AI agent does, it does not just answer, it observes, decides, acts, and checks what happens. This is also very interesting. Look at the UI element, the sleekness, the font that has been used, everything done by Claude Code. That too, I'm not using Claude, I'm using Kimi K2.7 here. Look at the quality of the output. I have for now generated 30-second video, but you can go longer also. Answers, generates, explains, plans, use tools, finishes tasks. It is able to get the context right, and the video is looking world class, to be honest. This can go viral and soon I will be uploading this on my channel also. LM generates, agents execute. There is an entire video generated by Claude Code. No audio for now, but that would be added soon. Build with the right tool, need an answer, use an LM, need a task done, use an AI agent. There is a whole video of 1 minute that has been generated and looks quite apt. Now I'll be showing you the entire journey that Claude Code went through to complete this app. It consumed about 60k tokens for Kimi K2.7, but I think given the output that I've got, it's worth it. So first of all, let me tell you what is Hyperframes by Hagen. So Hagen, if you know, is one of the best AI video generation for reels and stuff. And they released an open framework called as Hyperframes quite some days back, which can help you generate explainer videos that can be used with AI coding agents. It is basically a skill that you can add to your Claude Code that I have added. So it's basically like this: npx skills add agent.com hyperframes, yes. And then you can give a prompt like this that we gave. It has multiple things also: product launch video, website to video, faceless explainer, PR to video, embed captions, talking head recut, packaging an existing talking head podcast video into designed graphic overlays, motion graphics, music to video, slideshows, and what not. It can generate everything for you. In this video, I was just tried creating an explainer video using hyperframes that went into some crazy goals. Now let me show you the entire journey. It took me about 25 minutes, I think, because I was using Kimi. If this would have been Claude, the answer would have been shorter. But nothing less, we got a video, that too using AI, that too looks world class. So here we are back to our Claude Code screen. Here you can see that I mentioned the skill hyperframes and then I asked it to create a video explaining LLM versus AI agents. It started working on it and then it asked me certain questions to get started. What is the audience, platform and length, voice over or silent, visual style preference, etc. Project location, so I gave it my default location. I also take all the defaults, so I just want to demonstrate how it works. And here it has all the summary of the video: project name, format, style, audio, text driven for now, no voiceovers are added. I can add that too. Font pairing and rhythm. Then you can see the entire process started. It first of all created a design.md file, as you can see, mentioning everything: what is the purpose, typography, depth, subtitles, etc, etc. Then it is again wrote certain things, 52 lines to LLM versus agents video design.md. Some color patterns has been added. Video mood, clean, confident, editorial, tech. It wrote certain codes, updated the HTML file. Just observe this. This is required by hyperframes. Multiple updates are done. Certain errors came in here, but I think it was able to solve that too for us automatically. As you can see, it is updating the index.html file still. Tried downloading certain fonts that didn't work, so went on with the default ones, I assume. And here it is validating the video also. Certain errors were coming out because of command, because of access issues, but I think that didn't stop Claude Code to generate a video for us. You can see the red ones are certain errors that are coming out, but is able to solve them automatically on its own. It took me some time, hence I'm just rolling through the entire logs for you. Updating the font at different places. You can see that, and then finally what was built was this. The hook, what an LLM does, what an AI agent does. Proof, resolve, and CTA. Quick check, quality checks. One of the quality checks didn't work out, but I think apart from that, that took the most of the time for out of the 25 minutes. It cooked for 28 minutes for converting this for me. Build the LLM versus AI agent explainer video and rendered it to the .mp4 file. You can also see it is also giving me an option to add the music by using Kokoro. You can attempt that too, but for now I'm not doing that. In the end, it can generate an entire video plus audio for you that you can upload and earn money. So what are you waiting for? Do try this out. This looks crazily good. See you in the next one with something other more exciting on Claude Code. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.